Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to add a pop-up or lightbox in WIX. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly add pop-ups or lightboxes here in WIX. Well, this one's very easy. So what you need to do is you want to access your WIX website first, and you want to go and click on the plus button at the top left or add elements option. Now in here, you want to go to interactive and you just want to look for lightboxes. Now you can go and choose whichever option that you want to use here. So if you want to welcome people into your website, you can choose welcome. If you want to let people know to subscribe to your website or your email list, you can go and choose subscribe. If you want to add promotions, you could choose promotions or even contact here. Now, in this case, you go and choose whatever design that you want. So for example, maybe I want to promote. Let's go and click on this design to add it, and from here it will automatically redirect you to the lightbox mode. Now what you could do here is you could just start adding or editing whatever you want, like for example the text for this one, the images. You go and click on the appropriate one. You can change your image for this one, edit the text if you want to, add other elements if you want to. But in this case, once you've added whatever you want here, what you could do is you just need to click on exit mode here. Obviously, again, you could go and edit whatever you want here. You can add like animations if you want. But for now, we are good. Now from here, as you can see, we've just added it. So all you could do is you just need to click on preview, and this will actually allow you to view your lightbox. So in this case, that's how you add it. But just in case, if you want to further edit it, what you need to do is you want to go to the top left here. So in page, you should see lightboxes. So you go and click on it to start managing it. As you can see, you can move it around if you want to. And yeah. And also, if you want to basically add like triggers on it, just make sure to select the actual lightbox here. Click on set triggers. And you can just basically set this to automatically display lightbox on pages. You can even set the delays here and which page it should start appearing. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.